for southern Fond du Lac County of East Central Wisconsin, northern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:45 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Juneau, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Beaver Dam, Waupun, Mayville, Kewaskum, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Campbellsport, Theresa, Hustisford, Oakfield, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Addison, Ashford, Lamartine, Byron, Eaton, and Woodland. This includes the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:45 a.m. At 2:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cottage Grove to near Durand, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Watertown, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Heartland, Delavan, Jefferson, Lake Geneva, Muckwonago, Delafield, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, East Troy, Williams Bay, Wales, and Okauchee Lake. This includes the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest